Today's sales conversations are dynamic. Buyers ask detailed questions, compare options, and expect confident answers in the moment. Companies want to empower their sales teams to take these conversations forward with the right information. EngageAI for Sales Intelligence acts as an agentic intelligence layer that supports sellers before, during, and after customer conversations, turning knowledge into action. EngageAI starts by building rich customer profiles. It brings together account details, previous interactions, and relevant context, so every conversation begins informed, not cold. During discovery, EngageAI guides sellers with the right questions. It helps scope requirements, understand customer priorities, and capture insights while the conversation is still unfolding. With real-time discovery insights, EngageAI displays a confidence score that reflects how certain the AI is about recommending the most suitable products for cross-sell and upsell, so sellers know exactly what to suggest and how to position the solution with clarity. Based on customer intent and context, EngageAI surfaces relevant cross-sell and upsell opportunities aligned to actual needs, not generic bundles. When customers ask detailed questions, EngageAI instantly retrieves accurate answers from approved sales knowledge, keeping conversations flowing without interruptions. With built-in quick actions, sellers can instantly generate follow-up emails, find relevant case studies, access internal knowledge, compare solutions against competitors, get pricing and discounting guidance, and validate product configurations so every next step is informed, compliant, and aligned to the live conversation. By centralizing knowledge, guiding discovery, and enabling real-time intelligence, EngageAI helps sales teams respond faster, sell smarter, and move deals forward with confidence.